everyone, my name is Henein and I teach biology and chemistry from elementary school up to university level. Super nice to meet you. I do think that there is benefit to having someone like a mentor almost that is guiding you throughout a course, let's say throughout a semester, over a long period of time, because not only are they going to keep you on track with all of like your tasks and assignments and studying for tests, but I think you can build a relationship with a tutor, which is a really amazing thing because that kind of builds into the safe space for asking questions. If I am a friendly tutor, as opposed to a critical or a judgmental tutor, that's going to make a big impact in whether a student is going to ask me all the questions that they have, even if it is a one-on-one thing. They could be under a lot of stress and they need someone, maybe like me, who was a student not so long ago and can really understand what the pressure that they're going through maybe better than a prof could who hasn't been in school for years. And I think maybe they just need someone to confirm their understanding. Maybe they need a safe space to ask the questions that they might think are dumb questions, or they're too nervous to get up in a big class and say what they're thinking. Maybe they just need someone to listen, they need someone to test their knowledge and make sure they're on the right track, or they need someone to share what worked for them and to help them find their own study strategy. I think a tutor could do all of those things depending on what a student wants. I really liked in the profs that I've had, I've really tried to replicate it with taking the time on the big concepts. And when I tutor, I can take it a step further by asking a ton of questions, like lots of questions. I feel like I'm asking more questions than the student is, because that really gives me a good sense of what they understand and what I need to then spend more time with them on. That's my learning style. It's my teaching style too, to be very conversational, to ask a ton of questions. And I think I've gotten good feedback from the students that I do already have, that they seem to like it. So I think it's a good one.